there are 12 million words. And word in Arabic is called kalima, and it has three types: ism, which is also called noun, but it is a bit different than noun; fail, verb; harf, particle. After watching this video, you can classify any word into ism, fail, or harf. At the last, we will implement our understanding to classify each word of Surah Al-Fatiha into ism, fail, and harf. So let's start with ism. Ism is the word which refers to name of something tangible or abstract, and it does not have specific tense, past, present, or future. Here are some examples of ism. Tangible. Tangible is the something which you can feel with your senses, like Zaidun, Al-Jibal, mountain, Ash-Shams, sun. Abstract is the something which you cannot feel with your senses, like unknown, sleep, ilmun, knowledge, hubbun, love. All the pronouns are also ism because they refers to name of something and they does not have tense, like huwa, he, allazi, who, haza, this. All the adjectives are also ism, like kabir, big, jamil, beautiful, alim, scholar. Next is verb fail. Fail is the word which indicates an action and it is linked to specific tense, past, present, or future. Here are examples of fail. First of all, past, maudi, like kataba, he wrote, zaraba, he beat. Next is mudare. It includes present or future, like yaktubu, he writes or he will write, yadribu, he beats or he will beat. And the last is amar, command, like uktub, write, izrib, beat. In command, you require some action to happen in the future. Next is harf, particle. It is the word which has no complete meaning on its own and it needs an other word for complete meaning, like la, no, min, from, ila, to, an, about, fi, in. These words have no complete meaning unless or until they are connected to another words. Here is the summary. Ism is the word which indicates the name of something, or we can say it has meaning but without tense, like kitabun, book, Muhammad, madrasa, school. Fail or verb is the word which indicates the action and it is linked to tense, or we can say it has meaning as well as it has tense, like kataba, he wrote, yakra'u, he reads, ijlis, sit down. Haraf is the word which has no complete meaning, like fi, in, min, from, hal, what, la, not. So let's implement these definitions to classify each word of Surah Al-Fatiha. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. So first word is Alhamdu, all the praise. So meaning without tense, ism, li, for, no complete meaning, haraf, Allah, it is the name of something without tense, so it is ism. Rabbi, Lord, name without tense or meaning without tense, ism. Al-Alameen, the words, meaning without tense, ism. Ar-Rahman, the most gracious, meaning without tense, ism. Ar-Rahim, the most merciful, meaning without tense, ism. مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. Maliki, master, meaning without tense or name without tense, ism. Yawm, day, meaning without tense, ism. Ad-Din, judgment, meaning without tense, ism. Iyaka, you alone, is meaning without tense, ism. Na'budu, we worship. Action with tense. Action is worship and tense is present. We worship. Action with tense or meaning with tense. Fail. Wa and no complete meaning. Harf. Iyaka, you alone, meaning without tense. Ism. Nasta'een, we seek help. Action with tense. Action is seeking help and tense is present. So meaning with tense it is fail. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. Ihdi, guide. Action with tense and tense is command. So it is fail. Na, us. Meaning without tense ism. As-sirat, the path. Meaning without tense ism. Al-mustaqim, the straight. Meaning without tense ism. As-sirat, path. Meaning without tense ism. Al-ladhina, those who. Meaning without tense ism. An'amta, you favored. Action with tense and tense is past. So it is meaning with tense fail. Ala, on. No complete meaning. Haraf, him, them. Meaning without tense. Ism. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. غير, not those who. Meaning without tense. Ism. Al-Maghdub, displeased. Meaning without tense. Ism. Ala, on. No complete meaning. Haraf. Him, them. Meaning without tense. Ism. Wa, and. No complete meaning. Haraf. La, not. No complete meaning. Haraf. Ad-Dallin, astray. Meaning without tense. Ism. Please subscribe my channel for more videos on Arabic grammar in coming days. Thank you.